Involves familiarizing personnel with various precision instruments essential for quality control. Gauges are used to measure specific dimensions or verify tolerances. Optical comparators project magnified images of parts to compare against standards. Calipers available in digital or dial forms, measure internal and external dimensions with high accuracy to ensure product quality and compliance. Coordinate measuring machines, CMM. Start quiz challenge? The timer begins when you. Which tool is used for precise linear measurements in manufacturing? To check the conformity of a part's dimensions to specified limits. Precise dimensions and shape of an object, creating a digital 3D model. This is your overview.